Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the rise and fall of the Soviet Union, a story of power, ideology and collapse. In the aftermath of the Russian Revolution of 1917, Vladimir Lenin and the Bolsheviks seized power, establishing the world's first communist state. Under Joseph Stalin's ruthless rule, the Soviet Union underwent rapid industrialization, but at a grave cost. Millions perished in purges, famine, and forced labor camps. Despite internal repression, the Soviet Union emerged as a global superpower, engaging in a Cold War rivalry with the United States of America. By the 1970s, the Soviet economy stagnated, plagued by inefficiency and corruption. Meanwhile, demands for political reforms grew louder. In the 1980s, Mikhail Gorbachev attempted to reform the Soviet system, but his efforts inadvertently accelerated its collapse. On December 25, 1991, the Soviet flag was lowered for the final time, marking the end of an era. The once mighty Soviet Union had crumbled, leaving behind a legacy of both triumph and tragedy. The rise and fall of the Soviet Union remains a complex chapter in human history, reminding us of the profound impact of ideology, power, and the pursuit of change.